Hello smart people, here's a quick sat problem, and this is on exponents. You have 2 to the power of 12 plus 2 to the power of 12 plus 2 to the power of 12 plus 2 to the power of 12. So how can we simplify this problem to get one of these options? It is simple. We have 4 of this. We have this 2 to the power of 12 in 4 places, so we just have 4 into 2 to the power of 12. So this is simple. We can work on these indices. The base we have here is 2. We can make this to be 2 to the power of 2, because 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and then we have here to be 2 to the power of 12. According to product law of indices, that states that if you have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, since the bases are the same, we could take the common basis and add up the power. So that is the same thing we want to do here. So because we have 2 multiplied by 2, the bases are the same, we just take it and add the power, and then we have the result to be 2 to the power of 14. I hope this video makes a lot of sense to you. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more. If you need a one-on-one private tutoring, please make sure you contact me.